Hi, today we want to draw a line on top and bottom of 915 candle. So I changed my CSV file. This supports 1 minute candles, have 1 minute data, and yeah, here I explained in first lecture. We convert to date time. Here we define a function 915 signal. We write for index row and rows in df dot iter rows. So it read from here row by row, from here until last row by row with this. So we define, for easy way, we define current time, and current time is time row is mean, for example, first row and our time column. So here we say if current time dot hour equal to 9 and current time dot minute equal to 50, let's see, print signal. Let's see what will happen. oh sorry, here I should add it, or let's I want just to see this, does it have error or not. 915. Okay, working. So we write it here. Here we use chart dot marker current time above. It's enough. A little wait. Okay, yeah, as you see here, we have a, here it's marked, so working. So now we want to draw a line, so we use chart dot trend line. Our time first is current time, then our value. I want for top, I want row high. Okay, let's I again run it and explain in chart. So here we have a line here. Okay, here. So this is high. We want on high, but this is our first point, our first in time and in here. We want a end time and end high too, and y2. Our end y is same. It's still high, but our end time is different. So for end time we write df dot I look index plus 4. It's mean go 4 candle forward until 4 candle later, until next 4 candles. and again row high. It's same because we want from here or here. Our line have not our line is direct. Okay, it's good, but it doesn't show here for now. Why? Let's I show you, I prove you. Yeah, what happened? Yeah, here I should write as again time. So it's going for next candle and for next row and getting our time. When I run it, but it don't, as you see, don't show any line because this should be after chart.set. This is important. So as you see here we have a line. Can you see? Same for low. Same for low. Okay, as you see there is a problem here. Why there is a problem? Because here our low is, yeah, here we wrong the right time, here we should write low. No, it will be okay. As you see, exactly same and good. We can change also a style and other thing.